Okay, we're going to go through the cash flow spreadsheet that is in the week 6 material. This is something that you will want to include as a part of your the finance portion of your business plan, the draft of your finance plan, as well as the final financial plan and the overall business plan. This, a good start on these will need to be included with the draft. Okay, so the first one is the cash flow, the 12-month cash flow statements, and I would encourage you to possibly reduce this video and just listen to the video while you're going through the actual spreadsheet, so you can follow along. I wasn't able to put this integrity for sake of time. Okay, so the 12-month cash flow spreadsheet. Hopefully, this is fairly self-explanatory. This is month by month listing of income or revenue and outgo or expenses in cash. And so you have a section starting in cell A5, the cash receipts. There are a couple of categories there. Now, first of all, I don't want you to think that these are the only categories that you can possibly include. If there are other categories that are specific to the type of business that you will be doing your plan on, certainly insert a line there and include that. Additionally, if one of these categories does not apply to you, delete that row. Okay, one thing you want to pay attention to, though, is, for example, in cell C9, that is a total of the 3 cells just above that, immediately above that. So if you add a cell, make sure that formula, that is a formula-based calculation, make sure that formula picks up the new row. Sometimes, depending on how you insert a row, it might not pick it up. So make sure that if you add a row, that you go back and look at the formulas there and make sure that it picks everything up. Okay. Similarly with any formula cell, the cells that are in row 10 there, and then on down the cash paid out section. Same thing is true here. I don't necessarily believe that every category is going to apply to every business. I would be very surprised to see this exact listing on every business plan that I get submitted. I expect that it should be specific to your business, customized to your type of business. And that includes potentially taking some things out and or adding some lines. So keep that in mind. And again, this is just a 12-month cash flow. Make sure your numbers match up. That you've included all of the rows that so very important if you're submitting this plan to a business banker for a loan, or for or to an investor to try to raise equity capital. Make sure that your numbers match up on those rows where it totals out. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. So I'm going to end this video now, and if you have questions, certainly post them to me or to your classmates on the message board. Okay.